The word queer has 5 letters. Rainbow has 7 colors. But when I was 5, I didn't know the word queer. I didn't know what LGBTQI meant. But मुझे ये पता था कि मैं थोड़ा unique, कुछ अलग. And that uniqueness is what connects me to my guest book this evening, Mr. Anish Gawande. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for having me.
How are you doing today?
I am thrilled to have all of you at the house, so welcome home and excited to
Fantastic.
interview. But
This is my first interview by the way.
अरे वीरा
Anish Gawande, NCPS.
अनीश गवादे जी मत बनाए.
Anish Gawande.
अनीश.
Okay. Anish Gawande, NCPSP, Nationalist Congress Party, Sharad Pawar faction के national spokesperson है. Congratulations on becoming that. But Anish is not India's first queer politician. बहुत सारे मीडिया इंटरव्यूज में इनको कहा कि फर्स्ट queer politician. ऐसा है नहीं. जो मेरे को अनीश जी ने ही पॉइंट आउट किया था, ऑलरेडी न्यू. इनसे पहले हरीश अय्यर हैं, इनसे पहले शबनम मौसी आई, इनसे पहले मधुबाई किन्नर जी हैं. तो बहुत सारे लोग. सो ऐसा नहीं है कि ये पहले हैं. बट व्हाट मेक्स हिम यूनिक इसकी इनका जेनजी कनेक्ट. The way he connects to people my age, people younger generation, is amazing. And the way he started Pinklist India, जो मैंने बनना शुरू किया था, तब Pinklist India was the only queer resource. I used to go there and find कि यार ये तो मेरे जैसे लोग हैं यहाँ पर, मेरे जैसे लोग राजनीति में हैं, तो ठीक है इनके बारे में लिखते. तो Pinklist India is that resource I go to heavily. Thank you for any child. It is important कि उसका childhood safe, childhood अच्छा हो. And moms play an integral role. How was your relationship with your mother?
I have a very lovely relationship with my mother, and actually I don't think anyone's asked me this question before. I grew up in a very sort of conservative household. My mom is a stay-at-home mom, she trained as a lawyer, but sort of gave up her law practice to take care of my sister and me after my sister was born. And I think I've learned enough from her. I was very close to my mom as a child. She used to read me stories to bed. She had me all the stories of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, which I still remember to this day, and which have helped me in my new political avatar. And she was the one, I think, who instilled a deep commitment to giving back. I think I always wanted to be an Air Force officer when I was growing up. I realized very quickly that I can't go to India. I can't lift a cycle over my head like Hrithik Roshan and much. So I chose a slightly different path to doing all of it. And her father, my grandfather, was an educationist, was a freedom fighter, was somebody who worked with Baba Sahib Ambedkar. He came from Tatya Tope's family. So, those are the stories I grew up with, the public spiritedness that she taught me. And I still remain very, very close to her.
I've seen your photos on Twitter when she went to your convocation, lovely photos. That's why I have to ask this question. आप ये बताइए कि पॉलिटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट बचपन से था?
हाँ, राजनीति में रुचि तो बचपन से थी. Now, वो धीरे धीरे बदलती गई. I think I was always clear that I wanted to do something publicly. Whether that was going to be being a diplomat, whether that was going to be being in the IAS, whether that was going to be a lawyer or in international security, when he established it. But politics का कीड़ा तो वहीं से था. I think in 2012 is when I started being a politically active. I think that was an incredibly important moment for a lot of us. You had the Nirvaya case that had just happened. I think for the first time, young people took to the streets and said that enough was enough. Really, India against corruption moment. Well, a lot of us again went to the streets and said that we must protest against our own doctor. It has been that young people could change things. And I think उस माहौल में जो एक कीड़ा बैठ गया और वो कीड़ा भी कभी फोड़ने का नाम ही नहीं लेता. So I think it was always the case, and then I think 2014 was an important year. I think it had come, India changed. India was on the cusp of change, and I think Prime Minister Modi was just entering the electoral field, and it was very clear to a lot of us, even I was 16 or 17 back then, that we were going to witness a change in the social and ideological fabric of the country. What he did, uske khilaf, it is not. So I volunteered in the 2014 election campaign in India. I went door to door and campaigned. उस ज़मानों में अगर आप कांग्रेस का नाम लेते तो दरवाज़ा आपको मतलब आपके मुंह पर ही
कितने दरवाजे बंद हुए,
बहुत दरवाजे बंद हुए. Like that was your learning lesson, but you had to learn. that you have to not give up no matter how hard the fight.
दरवाजे खुले भी सही.
दरवाजे अभी 2019 में थोड़े ज़्यादा खुलने लगे, 2024 में बहुत ही सारे खुल गए. So you know, you keep trying and those doors eventually open. So the Rajniti Kida was there from a very young age. अच्छा.
क्वेयरनेस ने जब मैं बड़ा हो रहा था तो यार मैंने गूगल में बहुत किया कि MIT. Why
you know,
आपने भी किया? How was the experience?
You know, I think I had a very strange experience with queerness because growing up in Mumbai, which is a fairly progressive city, I think I was very aware that queerness was not a bad thing. But I didn't know any queer people.
Yeah, exactly.
You know, तो कभी किससे मिला ही नहीं था. I didn't know anybody. So there was a very clear way in which queerness was a very remote concept. It was there, right? And I was also very clear that I wanted to be in public life, which meant that you had to stay in the closet.
You've spoken about how your therapist.
Yeah, for the longest time I stayed in the closet voluntarily. So I think growing up and navigating my own queerness was definitely a challenge, but also an opportunity. I think it allowed me to develop a thick skin. And I remember going to my first Pride and in 2014, after the 2013 Supreme Court verdict, as an ally.
As an ally.
I support their rights.
2018 में सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा कि हिस्ट्री ओज एन अपॉलजी टू द कम्युनिटी. आप ग्राउंड लेवल पे काम करते हैं. डज हिस्ट्री स्टिल ओज एन अपॉलजी?
It's a very loaded question, and I think let's reframe that, right? I think, of course, history owes us an apology, but history owes so many of us an apology.
Yeah.
I think in many ways the fight for queer rights did not start with Section 377, nor will it end with Section 377. If history owes us an apology for 377, then history also owes us an apology for centuries of caste discrimination, of religious prejudice, of the sort of other ravages that we've inflicted upon ourselves. I don't like getting into this idea of history as a space for truth finding or sort of restitution of some kind of liberty.
Because queers do not need restitution, right?
And I think the sort of historical process is not one that is characterized by clean breaks. कि पहले जुल्म थे अब आज़ाद है. It's not as easy as that, right?
Yes.
और क्या सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कह दिया 2018 में कि बस like देश बदल रहा है, आगे बढ़ रहा है.
उससे क्या होता है?
So I think let's reframe that. I think what can we do to alter those moments in history? What can we do to celebrate the moments in history before this moment, where you actually had such powerful work being done on queer rights as well? So in the 1930s, when Baba Saheb Ambedkar took up the case of Samaj Swasthya, a magazine that was charged under the Obscenities Act for talking about sex education and about queerness, that was a moment of queer resistance. That was queer people sort of asserting themselves in the public sphere. When you had a sort of protest march led by Namdev Dhasar with the Dalit Panthers, leading a group of trans women and sex workers from Kamathipura to the house of then Chief Minister Pawar Sahib, in Maharashtra to demand rights for trans people and sex workers who were being exploited for money by money lenders, that was a moment of queer resistance as well. When you had the first manifesto for the ABWA, sort of the AIDS Bhedbhav Virodhi Andolan come out, which was truly intersectional. That was sort of...
There are multiple moments.
There have been multiple moments where people have not asked for an apology.
Yeah. कास्ट, रिलीजन और एक समूह कितना ज़रूरी होता है कमिंग आउट के लिए. और पहली बात, कमिंग आउट आना ज़रूरी क्यों?
Coming out आना तो ज़रूरी है ही नहीं. In an ideal world, you should not need to come out.
Yeah. But we don't live in an ideal.
But we don't live in an ideal world. I think coming out isn't necessary. But I think the reality is that people want to come out. My advice to anyone who wants to come out is always that first you need to be financially secure. You need to be able to depend upon two types of families. Either your family of birth or your family of choice. And you need the support of your loved ones around you for you to be able to come out. And you have to be practical about these things. You have to actually ask yourself the question, is it going to prove difficult for me to continue doing the work that I do? Is it going to be hard for me to work at the same place I work at if I come out? And if the answer to those questions is yes, then I think you should come out.
And if it's no?
And if it's no, I think you need to fight to make that change possible but recognize that sometimes change is slow.
Change is slow, but not
But not, it is inevitable.
it changes.
Change is inevitable, but it's slow. Badal to aayega. And we've seen that. The last 10 years have been incredible.
बदलाव आएगा, but धीरे आएगा.
धीरे आएगा और वो सबके लिए एक साथ नहीं आएगा. And I think we've got a problem, right? Because in India today, so many people, me included, can be out, can be proud, can be in politics, can do whatever they want,
I can be speaking to a camera, but so many people can't.
and so many people can't.
Yes.
And what do we do to create the structures that allow people to come out? What do we do to ensure that people have the ability to come out
Come.
and to lead their full lives? And I think that's a larger conversation that we haven't been having, because we've gotten the rights, 377 is gone. If you come with a certain amount of privilege,
Then it's
you are not public enemy number one in this country. And therefore, you don't have the urgent need to take care of others in the community, because it isn't a sort of crisis for everyone,
yeah.
right? And so I think we have to start asking a question around, how do we make this a better place for younger queer kids who want to come out, for those who don't come out with the same level of privilege?
That is a very important conversation that we need to have as a community and as a
Absolutely.
country. Now coming to media and how media represented you, why did they headline you as India's first gay politician?
So the headlines are always decided by the newspaper, of course, and not by me. I think there's a certain way in which queerness is commoditized, right? I think आज queerness बिकता है,
कल
तो बिकने दो. So it's a misleading headline because, of course, I'm not the first queer politician.
Yes, exactly.
I am the first gay national spokesperson of a political party. So that some of those headlines were fair. And
We noted that some of the headlines changed. I think Anish pointed to that.
correct, some of those headlines had to be pointed out and changed.
Yeah.
Because there are others, and not as far ago as Shabnam Mossy as well. Disha Pinky Sheikh,
Yes.
doing an amazing job right now as the spokesperson for the Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi. Shamiba, who's also part of the Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi in Maharashtra. Priya Patil, my own party's leader, who's the head of our LGBT cell, which has been there since 2020. So I think there's a larger conversation to be had around how trans voices are.
Queerness for views.
And kind of a certain kind of queerness, right? This kind of queerness sells, right? This is an acceptable kind of queerness. When it's a trans woman from a non-dominant caste community, then it doesn't sell. And that's the conversation we need to have.
Netherlands, queer left को आज़ाद करे था 1811 में.
हाँ.
कोलकाता में फ्रेंडशिप वॉक्स थी. इवन बिफोर फ्राइड हैपेंड, कोलकाता में फ्रेंडशिप वॉक्स थी. एक क्वेश्चन जो बहुत लोग मेरे से पूछते हैं, क्या इंडिया पीछे है वॉइस क्वेयर राइट्स? आपको कहना?
नहीं, आगे पीछे वाला धंधा ही बंद करना चाहिए. ये क्या, कौन आगे कौन पीछे?
Why?
The levels of transphobia today in large parts of the West, in the US, in London, are much higher than here.
Yeah.
In the Netherlands, the far right has taken on queer discourse and become a Islamophobic queer rights movement. तो कौन आगे कौन पीछे? नहीं, इंडिया पीछे नहीं है. इंडिया एक अलग जर्नी पे है. And India is a very strange place. Because, in India, queerness is not yet a dominant identity factor.
You spoken about queers cannot be a vote bank.
हाँ, कैसे हो सकते हैं?
You spoke.
क्योंकि आज queer आदिवासी भी है, दलित भी है, मुसलमान भी है. Those identities are under attack to a much larger extent in India today. So I think queerness in India does not have to make itself separate. और आप जब कोर्ट के दरवाजे खटखटाते हो ना, तो आपको प्रूव करना होता है, okay, queer people are different. But when you go into the political arena, you have to create solidarities. You have to say that you have to create solidarities with the differently abled community. You have to create solidarity with climate justice warriors. You have to create solidarities with those who are fighting against hatred on all fronts, on caste, on religion, on region. And that's a language of love, a new political imagination that we need to develop. Otherwise it's boring. What? मुझे नहीं करना यार queer activism अगर सिर्फ LGBT rights means कि और वापस कोर्ट पे जाओ और कुछ पेंशन ले लो और ये ले लो. नहीं. Queerness has a bigger contribution in this country. And queer people have to recognize this. We're creating a new political vocabulary. Yes. When the marriage equality verdict was coming through, the strongest support was from the anti-caste movement. And that was primarily because sort of couples marrying across caste have faced these challenges before as well. They know the importance of that document. They know the importance of that protection. and this country realizes the value of freedom.
Because it's all interconnected. It's not कि वे separate. कोई नहीं
बिल्कुल,
ये अलग है,
बिल्कुल.
नहीं.
And we're all deriving our rights from a constitution that has given us these guarantees. How do we reimagine the constitutional sort of promise that we made to ourselves in 1947? How do we create the structures that allow the constitution to be a living, breathing document? You know, Baba Sahib Ambedkar had also said the constitution is not a static document.
Yeah, definitely.
It needs to change over time. And who is going to breathe life into it are people who have not been included in these conversations before, who are now going to start transforming what that promise holds for a new
We
India.
need to hold our heads high and just.
हाँ और वही तो हम करते आए हैं. I think that's I was very clear. You know, I think this was an important thing.
Yeah.
I think I realized very soon कि I don't want to be in the closet. It might have gotten me further politically,
But I don't want to.
but I don't want to, because this allows me to do a lot more. If I had been in the closet, वैसे ही किसी और politician की तरह हो जाता मैं, बन जाते मंत्री, बन जाते कुछ और. But this is not about that.
It's about.
This is about an ideological fight that we're fighting. We have to prove that love can also sell.
Pete D'Souza के पोस्ट पे आपने कमेंट किया जो बहुत वायरल है.
हाँ वो बाप रे, I didn't realize. You know.
Get tempted by the crumb that you forget to have the meal.
हाँ.
क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
तो आज हमारे देश में बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ रही हैं, सरकार इंट्रोड्यूस कर रही है, that are seen as sort of progressive measures. And this is on all sides of the political spectrum, so I unfortunately don't want this to be only directed at the BJP, even though I think they remain an ideological opponent that I'm committed to fighting against. But we're too used to accepting breadcrumbs. मतलब कोई दान दे दे या कोई उपकार कर ले तो हम खुश हो जाते हैं. No, the fight is bigger. पूरा खाना खाना चाहिए. And your demand should be audacious because queer people are audacious.
Yeah.
तुम जी रहे हो यार. Young queer creators on Instagram are doing makeup reels and being their authentic selves and coming from all around the country. तो राजनीति में हम क्यों बिल्ली, जब बाकी चीज़ों में हाँ भीगी बिल्ली बन जाते हैं. राजनीति में मतलब you're just becoming a little scared rat over there. Why? Assert yourself.
ये बताइए कि अब डिबेट्स ना ऐसा होता है कि प्राइम टाइम मेन स्ट्रीम चैनल्स में नहीं हो रही है बट उतनी नहीं हो रही जितनी होनी चाहिए. फैशन चैनल है.
फैशन तो चला गया क्योंकि आप जैसे लोग अभी यूट्यूब पे डालने लगे हो, तो हमें भी यहीं पे आना पड़ता है क्योंकि टीवी कोई देखता नहीं है. एंड दैट्स एन इनक्रेडिबल थिंग दैट्स हैपेंड. यू नो 10 years ago वी वर प्रॉमिस्ड अ ड्रीम कि एक आदमी डिसीजंस लेगा एंड दोज डिसीजंस विल बी गुड फॉर द कंट्री एंड वी मस्ट अबाइड बाय दोज डिसीजंस. All the media was silenced. They were told to follow this narrative. We bought into it as a country.
Yeah, we did.
We said that हाँ ये coalition छोड़ दो, ये झगड़े छोड़ दो, we want one person in charge. 10 साल के लिए we saw the results. We failed. We failed to bring about the progress we should have. We failed to ensure the rights of people. We failed to give jobs to young people and safety to the women of this country. What has changed now though is that the media, which was following this single narrative and which was all powerful, क्योंकि न्यूज़ कहाँ से मिलती है? टीवी चैनल से. आपको बताएगा कौन कि देश में क्या हो रहा है? एग्जैक्टली. तभी आपको 9 बजे ही पता चलता था. पिछले 10 सालों में द ग्रोथ ऑफ यूट्यूब, द ग्रोथ ऑफ इंस्टाग्राम हैज ट्रांसफॉर्म द मीडिया लैंडस्केप.
सोशल मीडिया पे आप दिखते रहेंगे.
अभी मैं तो सोशल मीडिया पे दिखता रहूँगा. मुझे सोशल मीडिया आती नहीं है, तो कोई भी देख रहा है तो हमें मदद कर लो प्लीज.
पहले ये बताइए कि इलॉन मस्क, जेके रोलिंग और कंगना रनौत में क्या कॉमन है?
कोई किताबें पढ़ता नहीं है.
वो तो कॉमन है ही. और क्या कॉमन है? ऐसे कोई के बोलिए ना.
आर दे ऑल ट्रांसफोब्स?
You tell me.
Is Kangana Ranaut a transphobe? I don't know. Is Kangana ji, are you a transphobe? Please don't be one. But
You अनीश के इंस्टाग्राम पे जाइए, पीछे ये हैरी पॉटर ही लगते हैं. तो
जिसमें हैरी पॉटर ही लगता हूँ. बाप रे, आजकल वो बोलना नहीं चाहिए यार बेचारा. I used to be a big Harry Potter fan. और हाँ चश्मे शश्मे भी हुआ करते थे. तो फिर
इसको जेके रोलिंग में क्या कॉमन? और आप अगर उसको आप बात कर रहे होते, मैं इलॉन मस्क होता,
हाँ.
क्या कहते हो
यार क्या कॉमन है बता दीजिए आप मुझे.
आप बताइए. दोनों ट्रांसफोबिक हैं.
हाँ दोनों ट्रांसफोबिक तो है ही.
दोनों ट्विटर पे थोड़ा ज्यादा ही बोल देते हैं.
हाँ
कंगना जी
तीनों को जरा कम बोलना चाहिए. That I think is the common thing. वो तीनों जरा कम बोलते ना और अपना काम कर लेते तो ठीक हो जाता.
थोड़ी किताबें पढ़ लेते.
हाँ थोड़ी किताबें भी पढ़ लेते, थोड़ी पोएट्री पढ़ लेते तो अच्छा हो जाता. I think the funny part is, you know, J.K. Rowling should just written Harry Potter and stayed silent. क्यों बनना है तुम्हें? आजकल ना this is the other side of social media.
कि
सबके पास आवाज है तो बोलना चाहते हैं. Just because you can say something does not mean you should say it.
या तो जब भी मैं ट्विटर पे डालूंगा तो जेके रोलिंग विल मोस्ट लाइकली ब्लॉक मी. शी हैज ब्लॉक्ड अ लॉट ऑफ माय पेयर्स.
Oh dear.
Yeah.
That's quite an achievement.
या दैट इज एन अचीवमेंट.
You know, ये Indian politics में,
Taken away.
हाँ, Indian politics में now on the left wing people have started saying proudly blocked by Narendra Modi ji or blocked by somebody else. तो आप अगर
ब्लॉक्ड बाय जेके.
I'm blocked by JK Rowling अभी चलो एक दिन.
रीडिंग क्यों ज़रूरी है? और ये नहीं, उससे पहले ये बताइए कि पहली किताब आपको याद तो नहीं होगी पहली किताब कौन सी पढ़ी, बट क्या आपकी मम्मी थी जिन्होंने किताब आपको पकड़ाई?
हाँ हाँ, मम्मी थी जिन्होंने मुझे किताब पकड़ाई थी. और
क्या बोला था? बस
नहीं, वो मुझे किताबें पढ़ के सुनाती थी तो तब से शौक चढ़ गया. आई थिंक आफ्टर दैट आई बिकेम अ वेरी वोरेशियस रीडर. आई यूज्ड टू रीड एनीथिंग आई कुड lay my hands on. I remember Feluda, Satyajit Ray's Feluda was one of my favorites, and I think those are the detective novels that I loved. And then my absolute favorite was Ruskin Bond. The Room on the Roof was Ruskin Bond's novel that I loved the most. And Rusty runs away from home, or I was sort of in the closet, and मुझे भी घर से भाग जाना था.
Anish ran away from home.
Anish almost ran away from home. I got into the train to go to Jesuri, and then I called up my mother and I was like, I'm running away from home. And she's like, कल भाग जाओ ना, like आज जरा is not the right day.
यार कि मैं घर भाग जाऊंगा, बोल रही है घर पे कीमा बना है आ जाओ.
हाँ, I was like, यार आप कुछ कर नहीं रहे हो जिससे मैं भाग सकता हूँ. Like you're not letting me run away from home.
So Ruskin Bond will be proud of Anish. J.K. Rowling will block Anish.
Ruskin Bond will be proud of you. I've never met him, even though I know a lot of people who know him, because you should never meet your heroes. I'm a very big believer. आपके मतलब, अरे बाप रे, blush.
मैं जब 8th स्टैंडर्ड में था, SST क्लास वाले
हाँ.
हमें पार्लियामेंट. आई वॉज इन द क्लोजेट और मैं सोचता था कि यार यहाँ तो सब ऐसे माचो लोग हैं, मेरे जैसे लोग दिखते क्यों नहीं? उसलिए मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि वाई इज इट इम्पोर्टेंट?
You know, gender is a very different spectrum of representation than even queerness, which is why I argue for reservation for trans people, not reservation for the LGBTQ plus community as a whole, right? I think gender and sexuality play out very differently in terms of representation. I am thrilled that there are more women in politics and parliament doesn't look like it used to 10 years ago. Rakhi Zadhav, the head of the NCP-SP Mumbai unit, is a young woman who started off as a corporator. Priya Patil, who is the sort of head of the LGBTQ plus cell, is a trans woman. Aditi Nalaude, who is the general secretary of the party who runs our sort of Bombay office and Mumbai office, is again a woman. Women are bringing more women into politics and that's transformational. The minute you have a woman in charge, you're going to create a more sort of safe workspace. You're going to create a more equitable workplace. You're going to ensure that sort of basic standards are maintained in terms of just basic things like hygiene. And that's transformational in a work culture. So their representation is important.
That there is where reservation.
But we've not seen the benefits of representation in bringing about real change on the ground. Right? Unfortunately, the reality is that after representation, we still have a crisis where women's safety is not a critical concern.
सिर्फ वहाँ तक करके
सिर्फ वहाँ तक नहीं यार, वो क्या और फिर मेरे जैसे ही represent कर लेंगे. और
we were discussing कि मेल्स के लिए प्रोविजन नहीं है. अब सेक्शन 377 हट गया. इफ सेक्सुअल वायलेंस रेप होता है एक आदमी के खिलाफ तो क्या करे वो? कुछ प्रोविजन
पहले मेंस राइट्स एक्टिविस्ट के पास जाओ.
अच्छा,
You know, first I want to ask the men's rights activists जो सभी ट्विटर पे आ जाते हैं ना against feminists.
होते भी नहीं होते.
नहीं सब against feminists आते हैं ना, इसके बारे में पहले बोलो.
अच्छा हाँ,
Let them fight this battle. I don't want queer people to fight it.
Okay.
Let's use our political capital somewhere else.
But
Let the ones who've been talking about it.
people are also getting sexually.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ ना, तो किसी और को लड़ने दो ना allyship की वजह से.
अच्छा,
Let the men's rights activists become
इतना
allies.
बोलते हैं तो आप
इतना
करो.
बोलते हैं तो कर लो ना अभी.
बिल्कुल सही है.
ये
The
बस
answers
ये-
Anisha is giving is it's going to get you cancelled.
It's no. I let it get me cancelled. This is not a. You know how much should queer people keep fighting for?
सब हमारे ही ठीक है.
हाँ,
वही
सबके लिए हम ही लड़ते रहे.
वही
नहीं, उनको लड़ने दो.
मेल राइट्स के लिए लड़ रहे हैं.
हाँ,
मेन राइट एक्टिविस्ट लड़ो, हमारे लिए लड़ो ना.
हमारे लिए
तो मेल है.
थैंक यू बहन.
यंग एमपी, आप एक यंग एमपी बनेंगे. बिल्कुल
हम
बनेंगे.
एक यंग एमपी बनेंगे.
बिल्कुल बनेंगे.
आपने तो हमें सांसद बना
अरे
दिया.
आप बनेंगे.
अगर जनता जनार्दन चाहे तो.
इंडियन एक्सप्रेस में
हाँ.
एक यंग एमपी ने लिखा था कि जब वो बनी, एक एमपी बनी, तो उन्होंने अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे गई पीछे वाली आर्काइव करी फोटो जिसमें उन्होंने जीन्स पहनी थी, जिसमें उन्होंने स्कर्ट पहनी थी. तो आपने कभी किया है आर्काइव अपने पुरानी फोटोज को?
कुछ फोटोज तो आर्काइव हुई हैं. नहीं, वो तो आपको नहीं बता सकते. बट
एमपी बनेंगे तो कौन सी करेंगे?
एमपी बनेंगे तो इंस्टाग्राम ही छोड़ देंगे यार. ये इतना टेंशन कौन लेने वाला. नहीं, फिर डीप फेक बोल देंगे बस.
अच्छा,
और कुछ नहीं.
नहीं, hypothetically अगर करनी पड़े तो
No, I
अभी
think,
जो है उनमें
no,
कौन सी-
no. So I think there was a very conscious decision. I think I actually didn't archive anything, and there was a feeling that some of them should be archived, particularly things of photos of pride,
Yeah,
photos where you're too queer.
yeah, too queer. I
You know,
know.
where you're too queer,
I know.
that needs to be थोड़ा मतलब
Straight करे थोड़ा सा.
थोड़ा straight कर लो. और फिर मैंने कहा यार इतने दूर आ गए तो ये नहीं कर. अभी इतना कर दिया है तो फिर you know once you like dipped your toes then you might as well jump into the deep end of the pool.
And you have jumped into the.
हाँ, then I'm like you know what, deal with my queer.
In fact, when राहुल गांधी यूएस में जाके वायरल हो गए अभी, अनीश ने स्टोरी डाली कि जंप इनटू पॉलिटिक्स इन सी ना.
हाँ.
क्या होता है ऐसे बोलिए मत.
हाँ हाँ, ये क्रिटिक अभी करना है तो अभी हमें
आप
राजनीति
पहले
में
आइए.
उतर कर करना है.
बिल्कुल, तो आइए. Now we're coming to a special segment जो I have fantastically and very boring way में named social statements. मैं आपको statements बताऊंगा, अपना interpretation दीजिए. कोई कोई statements आपकी ही दी हुई हैं पहले वाली.
तौबा.
तो पहला statement, women are just women, not male appendages.
Who is this? This is some Judith Butler or someone or what?
No, this is a columnist. I won't name them.
अच्छा.
They wrote it.
You know, I like that. I like that.
What do you think? मतलब क्या मतलब है?
वो कि औरत is not the better half or the sort of complement to a man. They're sort of human beings in their own right. And I think this is a bigger sort of question, right? That what do you see as womanhood? What do you see as any identity? It's not merely existing in opposition to another. और वही हो जाता है ना? If you see any definition of a woman, it is not a man.
Not a man. Right.
Right?
Not a man.
What is the definition of a woman? Not a man.
Not a man.
Right? So how do you move beyond that? Even queer is not straight.
Not straight.
Right? That
So we're attached to something.
binary छोड़ देंगे
Binary
और
छोड़ देंगे.
better to do that than queer people.
Yeah,
और
they
ये
have
women
broken
are
the
not
line.
appendices of men also, वो थोड़ा second wave feminism हो गया, वो छोड़ देंगे.
Yeah.
But ये binary के को छोड़ देना है. हो गया.
एक स्टेटमेंट आपने ही दिया जयपुर लिट फेस्ट वाले में. इन्होंने कहा था कि वी नीड मोर राइटर्स बट वी नीड इवन मोर लिसनर्स. क्यों?
100%. हम तो कहते रहते हैं, आपने भी हमें पूछा किताब कब लिख रहे हो. हम नहीं लिख रहे यार. हम
आपने ही कहा ना किताब लिख रहे हैं.
नहीं, हमने कभी नहीं कहा है. I तो keep telling
अरे कभी नहीं कहा. मैं आपको भी वीडियो दिखाया था.
already, yeah, the first time I'm already being seen like video proof. No, I think, I'm much happier being a reader. I'm so much happier
And a listener.
being a listener. I'm so much happier being a rasik. I used to play the tabla for many years and I played the tabla for almost 10 years. और फिर मैंने छोड़ दिया और बहुत लोगों ने पूछा क्यों छोड़ दिया था. I was like, after a point I was like, you have to either choose to be somebody who's a player or a listener.
Not a player but a
अच्छा, वो तबला not a player बना दोगे, बस कट कर लो और बस कैंसिल ही कर दो. पर हमें रसिक भी बनना है.
हाँ.
कला cannot stay alive without a रसिक.
Yeah.
तो हमें रसिक बनना है.
तो गाइस जिनको राइटर बनना है उन पहले पढ़ना सीखे, पहले सुनना सीखे.
हाँ जी.
बिल्कुल. ये तो आप मुझे पता है क्या रिस्पॉन्स आना है बट फिर भी बता दीजिए. क्वेयर मैरिज इज एन अर्बन एलिटिस्ट कॉन्सेप्ट.
My dear friend Rohan is writing a book on this, The Urban Elite versus Union of India. It's not. And I'll give you a great example, right? Last year, I was dealing with this case of a young lesbian couple that had run away from home in Rajasthan. And they ran away to Chennai and were brought back to their families because a case of kidnapping was leveled against them. अभी वही प्रॉब्लम है कि शादी मुझे इसीलिए नहीं चाहिए क्योंकि मैं एक साथ घर ले सकता हूँ या मैं इनहेरिटेंस पा सकता हूँ या कुछ और कर सकता हूँ.
किस लिए चाहिए?
But marriage, as the sort of natal family violence petition in the Supreme Court pointed out,
The bouquet
is about
yeah.
protection rather than rights.
Yes.
The bouquet of rights is separate,
Okay.
but you are protected by the state because that document protects you.
कि एक ये है मेरे पास
It's
हक है.
exact intercaste marriages, right?
Yeah.
That's precisely why intercaste marriages were important. That's precisely why that document was important. क्योंकि आज कोई पुलिस अफसर नहीं कह सकता कि हम तुम्हें वापस तुम्हारे घर लेके जाएंगे अगर तुम्हारी शादी हो गई because you are adult.
Yeah, you're an adult.
Unfortunately, even if you're an adult today and you're queer, the provisions of kidnapping and other provisions can be leveled against you, and you are going to face greater difficulties in accessing protection by the state. So we need to reframe the debate around marriage as one that is not granting rights, but securing protections. And that's where the Supreme Court has failed. The Supreme Court is an arbiter of rights, may have said that this is a right that can be granted by the legislature, which I still disagree with. But the Supreme Court, as the sort of guarantor of protections, cannot look away when the people of this country are not being protected. And that can be even one person, and that can be judicial overreach. But if you've done it for climate change and introduced environmental regulations, then you must do it for queer rights as well. Because this is not a question about queerness. It's a question about whether every single Indian citizen has the right to receive equal protection from the state and the right to a life with dignity.
And constitution में तो मतलब that
that's the constitutional promise.
That is a constitutional promise. बिल्कुल. And अब जब जैसे मान लीजिए मैं I do not have the right to marry. मैं जब जाता हूँ तो फिजिकल थ्रेट्स तो मिलेंगे ही, मेंटल प्रेशर जो आता है वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा है.
बिल्कुल.
नाउ इट्स अ वंडरफुल सेगवे इनटू नेक्स्ट सेक्शन अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ. क्या ट्रेंड है मेंटल हेल्थ?
नहीं, मैंने तो कब से कहा है, मेरी तो थेरेपिस्ट 10 साल से.
आप थेरेपिस्ट की तो बहुत बातें करते
हैं. मैं थेरेपिस्ट के बारे में बहुत बात करता हूं because you have to normalize this. You know, राजनीति में, in fact, the next thing I want to start with a couple of very dear friends is an inter-party alliance on mental health. Because today mental health is just not discussed.
It's not.
Our politicians don't discuss mental health. Our policymakers don't discuss mental health.
Rishi Sunak said कि if you're depressed, go to work.
Exactly. And this is a global problem, but a particularly Indian problem as well.
Yeah, it is.
Because it's impossible to get mental health care if you don't come from privilege. आज थेरेपिस्ट के रेट्स देखो,
1000, 1500,
3000, 4000 तक जाते हैं शहरों में.
But definitely.
You know, and we cannot say that mental health is something only the privileged have access to. And this is again something that a queer issue becomes a bigger issue, right? That queer people know why mental health care is important.
Yeah.
But it's not just queer people who need mental health care.
Everyone needs mental health.
Everyone needs it. So why are you building a 15,000 crore rupee bridge, but you don't have 150 crores to give a government hospital for mental health?
Yeah. Definitely.
That's a question that needs to be asked. Today, I have ADHD. You don't get most ADHD medications here. We make those medicines in India, but they're not approved over here. They're sold abroad.
Okay. हम अपने सिटीजन का ध्यान रखने
सिटीजन को ध्यान नहीं रख रहे. और ये आसान चीजें हैं बदलने. You have to start raising your voice again.
Yes. As a person who's dealt with, before I came out, I was anxious. I have dealt with therapy. Luckily, my parents paid for it. I did not have the money for it. So, queer people have a greater burden, a greater mental health burden.
वो queer tax है.
बिल्कुल, queer tax.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल.
You have to pay more to sort of get a therapist. You have to pay more because makeup is more expensive. 18% GST लगा दिया. You have to pay more for everything.
Yeah.
You have to pay more to travel in an Uber at night if you're going for a party because you don't know if you're safe on the metro. But these are taxes on queer people. Queer people have to pay more to just lead their regular lives. And that is something the government needs to acknowledge. And you cannot let this continue. This is a question of disparity of access to public spaces.
मेरा सवाल ये था, NCRB डेटा भी आया. उन्होंने कहा कि इंडिया का पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ रेट जो है वो अभी कम है एट द रेट एट विच यंग पीपल आर किलिंग देमसेल्व्स. अगर आप MP बनेंगे तो इसको कैसे टैकल करेंगे? नॉट जस्ट, इट्स नॉट अ क्वेयर इशू, लाइक यू सेड मेंटल हेल्थ इज नॉट अ क्वेयर इशू.
You know,
कैसे करें?
in 2020, I went with Supriya Tai to meet the deputy CM at the time. And now the deputy CM again and has formed a splinter faction of our own party.
Okay.
Ajit Pawar sir.
Yeah.
And we were talking about the creation of a transgender welfare board.
Yeah.
And I said we need to have a helpline for LGBTQ plus kids. And the immediate answer was yes. Because that's something everyone can get behind. We can't let our kids down.
देश में ना भी आग लगी हुई है कोलकाता में जो बॉयज, बहुत जगह प्रोटेस्ट चल रहे हैं. एक मैं न्यूज़ लिखते हुए एक चीज़ थी जो मेरे दिमाग में खटकी थी, वो थी कि एक विमेंस प्रोटेस्ट में एक a man came and openly slashed the women. Why do men do this? Why is their penis?
Why do men? That is the main question.
Yeah, why do men तो है ही, but why?
तो वो सवाल का जवाब अब तक जो कोई ढूंढ सकेगा वो उसको नोबेल प्राइज देना चाहिए. See, the incident in Arjikar is deeply shocking.
Very, very shocking.
I think it has stirred the collective conscience of this country in a way few other incidents have. And there's of course valid critique to be sort of leveled as to why only this incident, does the sort of privilege of the victim matter? But I think we're looking at a bigger problem, right? We have an epidemic of sexual violence in this country. We don't know how to tackle it. Right after Arjikar, there have been at least 25 incidences in the last month that have been
in our own
equally horrifying, right?
And that's precisely it. Our response to Arjikar, our response to sexual violence has been चौराहे पे लगा के पत्थर मार के मार डालो. That's not the right response.
Why?
Because the perpetrators of sexual violence are not the exception, they are the norm. Like you said, it's happening in our houses.
Yeah, it is happening.
More than half of sexual violence is perpetrated by people who are known to the victim. Right? What are the ways in which we are going to make a structural difference to reducing this epidemic of sexual violence? You cannot exceptionalize it. This is not the exception.
You mentioned कि मेरी rapes का कोई provision नहीं है. We will discuss it. We will discuss it in detail, but Aditya needs the guts right now, so we will. So, बाहर बारिश होने लगी इसलिए हम अंदर आ गए into this beautiful home.
Welcome to ये भी house tour भी हो गया है.
Yeah, house tour पूरा हो चुका है.
वो क्या वो 72 questions अभी next कर लो.
Yeah, मैं वो में नहीं काम करता, but one day अगर आप MP बने, जो आप बनेंगे, how will you prevent what happened with RV and Pranshu from happening again?
I can't.
You can't.
That's why I don't believe in representation. One MP elected to parliament cannot change the grim reality that is a sort of wave of homophobia that has been spread online today. It would be silly for anyone to promise that, and it would be silly for anyone.
But RV was not, I will use the word, killed just because of online abuse. He was sexually assaulted at
Absolutely.
in a premier school, DPS Faridabad. Why? How will you prevent? How can we prevent young kids from going through that again?
Again,
You can't.
you cannot solve this unless you sort of address the underlying sort of problem, which is today you are not seeing an increase in sexual violence, an increase in online hate because of some sort of exceptional behavior. We've normalized the culture of impunity.
Yeah.
This culture of तू जानता है मेरा बाप कौन है, मैं मर्द हूँ. You know, I'm like this strong and powerful, I'm going to impose myself on you. That's a culture that we've grown to sort of respect.
Decades.
What are we respecting? And I'll speak about political culture, right?
Yeah.
I think I know that more than I do other things.
Yes, definitely.
Our political culture is about the strong man, strong leader, who takes decisions authoritatively, who can't be questioned. That's a culture that needs to change.
So do you question
We need a
yourself?
politics of care before anything else. We need to ensure that we recenter politics as a vehicle for care, not for power. And that's hard. And it's not something that I think I commit to every time or I live up to every time either.
Yeah.
It's something that you definitely realize.
Accepting that you don't live up to that every time is the.
But it's important to accept that.
Yeah,
I
it
think
is.
some of the most incredible politicians I've worked with accept that. Because we're a country that needs to sort of fight with each other, debate, discuss, sort of understand that none of us can be right because we represent such diverse people and such diverse constituents. That we need to hear the other side to be able to make something that actually works. So I think in many ways, unless we change that, you're not going to be able to prevent these incidents from happening. That mindset needs to change. तब तक कुछ नहीं बदलेगा.
बदलाव आएगा but धीरे.
Huh. And I can tell you some policy frameworks, etc. Right? I think you can be like, yes, should you have better lighting on streets? Obviously.
Definitely.
Should you have better sort of monitoring in schools? Sure.
Yeah.
But each and every one of these measures will fail if the intent of the person has not changed.
Intent of our policymakers.
No, the intent of the person who's intent on committing sexual assault.
Yeah.
That mindset.
मानसिकता की बात कर
वो
रहे हैं.
मानसिकता जब तक नहीं बदलेगी ना तो वो जुर्म कभी बंद नहीं होगा.
अनिल बहुत पॉपुलर है इंस्टाग्राम पे, वैसे भी बहुत पॉपुलर है, प्लेयर है अभी बोला तो. इंस्टाग्राम पे 14,000 फॉलोअर्स हैं. जब मैंने इनके टैग किया, मैं तो 900 ही हैं, तो मैंने टैग किया तो लोगों का आया कि बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आए कि ये पूछेगा अनीश से. तो इनमें से 3 क्वेश्चन हैं जो लोग पूछना चाहते हैं आज. एड्रियन मेरे दोस्त फरीदाबाद से पूछते हैं, मैं एक ट्रांस मैन हूँ बट मैं दिखता बाहर से फीमेल, क्या मैं एक ट्रांस मैन एक मैन नहीं?
बिल्कुल हो. और आप तो
तो यार देखिए एड्रियन पे बोली.
हाय एड्रियन, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? आप बिल्कुल ट्रांसमैन हो और कानून के तहत से भी आप हो. द ट्रांसजेंडर पर्सन्स प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ राइट्स एक्ट नाउ गिव्स यू द राइट टू सेल्फ आइडेंटिफाई एज अ ट्रांसमैन इवन इफ you have not had any surgery, even if you might present otherwise. And that's an important change. और आज आपके लिए possible नहीं होगा to sort of present as a man. And that's okay. And we'll get there. And that journey will be slow. And for some people it takes longer, for some people it's quicker. But I think that's a journey worth traveling on. And I think there's a family of sort of choice that's building around.
Yes.
अगर आपके दोस्त है तो फिर आपके पास दोस्त तो बहुत बड़े अच्छे हैं. तो फिर I think in some time, and maybe you'll continue to present otherwise even if you identify as a trans man, and that's okay too.
Whatever is comfortable with you.
Whatever you're okay with.
Cool.
The good thing is the law's on your side, and if you have any problem with that, फिर हमारे पास आ जाओ, फिर हम कानून के दरवाजे तो खटखटा सकते हैं.
बिल्कुल. एक और मेरे दोस्त हैं, वो हाथरस से हैं, पूछते हैं कि जब आप क्लोजेट के बाहर आए और फिर राजनीति में आए, फिर एक पब्लिक पर्सन बनी, पिंक लिस्ट खोला, कोविड का काम किया, किसी ने आपको थ्रेटन किया था? और किया था तो किसने किया था? ये भी उन्होंने लिखा है, मैंने नहीं लिखा.
किसी ने थ्रेटन किया था और किसने किया था? नहीं तो
सटल थ्रेट.
सटल थ्रेट्स भी ज्यादा मोदी जी के खिलाफ बोलते हैं तो जरा ज्यादा आते हैं. डेथ
किसने
थ्रेट्स
करा?
ट्विटर पे नहीं, वो ट्विटर ट्रोल वाले डेथ थ्रेट्स.
नहीं नहीं, एक्चुअल में
Actual में, you know, the surprising part has been I've been very fortunate to work with the top leadership at any political organization I've worked with.
या
तो अगर आपके सिर पर भगवान का हाथ हो
तो फिर
तो आम जनता आपको क्या कहेगी?
नहीं.
So that I've been very lucky to have. But I'll tell you a fun story. I've said this earlier also. Some of you have heard this before. But I was on the campaign trail in Maharashtra, and this was just as I had come out early on. And there were some pusser in the background with some leaders being like, "Chha wo waise hai," etc. And I was dressed, you know, this is like Rajniti outfit, but it's not like very Rajniti outfit. I'm not like on white and white. Or like I'm not wearing white on white. I'm wearing like colorful socks.
रेड सॉक्स गाइस.
Red socks. But the same leader who was doing this pusser earlier, फिर बाद में मुझे आके, वो मैं नहीं नाम बता रहा
अच्छा,
यार,
कोई
ये
नहीं.
क्या आप मुझे
नहीं,
अभी कैंसिल करना चाहते
नहीं नहीं नहीं, वो तो आप ट्विटर पे होते हैं.
हो? But he came up to me at the end of that यात्रा and was like, आपका टेलर कौन है?
अच्छा, हो गया. Yeah, that's a
वो
beautiful.
कह रहे थे आपका टेलर कौन है? And I was like, you know, that's how you change minds, and you change them slowly. But you have to be assertive.
You have to be confident.
That I'm very clear कि my sexuality is none of your business. I'm doing the work that I do now in my role. I'm national spokesperson. Like, I'm doing a bloody good job. If I
You are,
say so myself,
definitely. You may so loudly and in the camera.
I'm इतनी तारीफ तो नहीं करते, but you know, as long as you're doing a good job at what you're tasked to do, then my sexuality is none of your business.
Yeah.
And that I think is important to sort of assert.
Like I'm
And-
discussing, sexuality is not only thing that queerness affects all aspects of your life, at least for me. But it is not what we are. It is a part of us. बिल्कुल completely. हम पूरे ही queer हैं सर, मतलब हैं पूरे queer हैं.
आप पूरे
queer.
आप what percentage of queer are you? Controversial question gets asked.
यहाँ तक straight.
हाँ, ये 40% queer, 60%.
एक और क्वेश्चन है, क्या आप ग्राइंडर, बम्बल, टिंडर चलाते हैं? ग्राइंडर स्पेशली.
अभी हमने चलाना बंद कर दिया है.
क्यों?
क्योंकि अभी राजनीति में आके आप चला नहीं सकते. इट्स गुड प्रैक्टिस.
पहले चलाते थे.
पहले तो सब चलाते थे.
उस दिन हमें ड्यू टू सम पर्सनल मैटर नॉट रिलेटेड टू माई सेक्सुअलिटी गाइस, यही सोचते रहते हो तुम लोग, मैं पुलिस स्टेशन गया.
हाँ.
और मुझे ना एक अंदर से डर लगने लग गया कि यार इट वॉज एट 11:30 एट नाइट एंड आई वॉज लाइक मॉम, मैं गाड़ी चला के रख रहा हूँ, जो करना है करो, निकल जाएंगे, भाग जाएंगे. तो दिस डर जो होता है वो पॉलिटिशियन से होता है, वो पुलिस स्टेशन से होता है, एनी पर्सन हुज इन पावर से होता है. ये आप डर कैसे हटाएंगे?
यार यू नो इट्स वेरी फनी क्योंकि मेरा तो पुलिस का डर तो छूट ही गया है. क्योंकि यू नो ओवर द कोर्स ऑफ 2019 आई वाज मीटिंग द पुलिस सो ऑफन दैट द ऑफिसर वाज आल्सो शॉक्ड. क्योंकि पहले तो मैं इलेक्शन कैंपेन चला रहा था, तो साउथ मुंबई में पुलिस ऑफिसर से परमिशन लेनी पड़ती थी मॉडल कोड ऑफ कॉन्डक्ट की वजह से, टेक परमिशन एक्सेट्रा. सो बिकेम फ्रेंड्स विद द पुलिस ऑफिसर इन द आज़ाद मैदान पुलिस स्टेशन.
ओके.
फिर एक CA/NRC आ गया, तो वहाँ पे हम सब प्रोटेस्ट ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहे थे. हमारे बेचारे मित्र सब अरेस्ट हो रहे जाते थे और डिटेन हो रहे जा रहे थे.
बिल्कुल.
तो हम वापस आज़ाद मैदान पुलिस स्टेशन ही जा रहे थे क्योंकि
तो दोस्ती हो गई.
आज़ाद मैदान में
फिर आ गए.
हाँ, तो फिर कहने लगे अब पहले तो आप राजनीति के लिए आ रहे थे, फिर इसके लिए आ रहे थे. फिर मुंबई प्राइड पे सेडिशन केस हो गए.
Yeah.
और वो फिर एक यंग ट्रांस स्टूडेंट के खिलाफ सेडिशन केस लग गई और फिर हमारा नाम मुंबई प्राइड के परमिशन में था, तो हम वापस पुलिस स्टेशन पहुंच गए. एट विच पॉइंट पुलिस अफसर वाज लाइक, अब साहब तुम्हें करता क्या हो? जैसे कि आप करते क्या हो?
फॉर माय नॉन मराठी.
हाँ, वो आप करते क्या हो? एंड ही वाज सो कंफ्यूज्ड बिकॉज़ ही लाइक, आप मतलब सबके लिए पुलिस स्टेशन आते रहते हो. लाइक अभी आप आपका काम कर रहे हो, हम हमारा काम कर रहे हैं.
अब हैं थोड़े से लाइट क्वेश्चंस.
अच्छा.
ठीक है, लाइट तो मतलब टंग इन चीक टाइप. हैव यू एवर टेकन और गिवन अ ब्राइब?
Have I ever taken or given a bribe? No.
नो.
Because I speak
सर
Marathi.
बोलिए.
No, because I speak Marathi.
है
मैं तो मुंबई में पला बड़ा हूँ, उसके बाद फॉरेन गया था और फिर वापस मुंबई आ गया. अब
कभी रिश्वत दी
नहीं, क्योंकि पुलिस ऑफिसर मराठी में बोल देते हो तो फिर वो सोचता है बेचारा सुसंस्कृत सुशील सुशिक्षित
अच्छा,
मराठी मानुस, लाइक इसको जाने दो. और हम गाड़ी भी नहीं चलाते, गाड़ी चलानी आती नहीं
सही है.
है, तो रिश्वत देंगे कहाँ?
ली भी नहीं.
ली कहाँ?
एमपी बनेंगे तो
एमपी बनेंगे तो लेंगे. आप देंगे प्लीज. आप
मेरे पास तो यार पैसे नहीं.
कैंपेन नहीं, हम रिश्वत नहीं लेंगे. हम
Donations.
नहीं, हम तो फंड ही बना देंगे.
अनीश केयर्स.
अनीश केयर्स
अनीश केयर्स गाइस.
ऑफिशियली रिश्वत लेंगे ना, मतलब अभी तो परंपरा प्रतिष्ठान हो गया ना.
आई विल ओन यू टू दिस.
ऑफिशियली ले लेंगे.
बिल्कुल. दूसरा सवाल ये है, आप तो बिल्कुल भी सीरियस नहीं है गाइस. सीरियस तो ये बिल्कुल नहीं है. पॉलिटिशियंस इतने सीरियस क्यों रहते हैं? हंसते नहीं है.
यार वो तो हम बदलना चाहते हैं,
हाँ बट बाकी
क्योंकि अभी होना पड़ता है कभी कभी,
पूरे टाइम
कुछ मामलों पर होना पड़ता है. कोई बहुत सारे पॉलिटिशियंस इतने सीरियस नहीं है. नहीं, वो संदेश की इंटरव्यूज देखो यार. वो संदेश
यार संदीप जी
कोई अच्छे सवाल पूछने वाले.
अच्छा
वो
मैं हूँ.
आप बहुत अच्छे हो. देखो, आप अगर कह रहे हो मैं फन हूँ तो आप अच्छे सवाल पूछ रहे हो, इसीलिए मैं फन हूँ.
योर लेटेस्ट नेटफ्लिक्स वॉच.
My latest Netflix watch.
Netflix जो भी.
Emily in Paris. That
Emily in
newest 4 episodes. I will watch the next 4 episodes.
Anish was also in Paris. What happened in Paris, Anish?
What happened in Paris? I came out in Paris.
Yeah, but what happened?
I just met a lot of queer people.
Met a lot. He's smiling very.
So much about my own identity, and I came out of the class.
So Anish in Paris is going to.
Anish in Paris is the documentary that gets released after I quit politics.
Oh yeah.
वो मतलब कुछ कहानियाँ मेमोर के लिए होती है. वो मतलब वो बुक वो जब 70 साल के होंगे ना, तब वो उस किताब में लिख.
मैं पेरिस गया था.
अभी मेमोर के लिए कुछ तो छोड़ना चाहिए.
ठीक है, बिल्कुल.
नहीं तो कोई खरीदेगा नहीं, सभी इंटरव्यू में बता देंगे. तो
अनीश इन पेरिस, योर बुक टाइटल.
हाँ, वन ऑफ माय मेमोइर्स.
हाउ डू यू बैलेंस बीइंग इन पॉलिटिक्स विद बीइंग यंग एंड 27?
You balance it fairly easily. I think you have a very close set of friends and you keep them much closer than you would if you were not in the public glare. I think I'm someone who takes my friends very much for granted. I sort of show up at their house. Like I show up at their house and I'm like, I'm just lazing around and we do nothing. And I think that's the sort of off time that you need when your job constantly involves meeting people. But the other thing is I love what I do, yeah. Like I genuinely love sort of the hecticness of it all, the energy and the adrenaline rush of it. So it doesn't feel like you need to balance something.
So your work is also fun, so it doesn't
Work
feel
is
like...
lots of fun.
Yeah.
It's lots of fun. I've never been happier to go to an office before in my life.
Now we're coming to the last section, which I have copied from Coffee with Karan.
Oh wow.
It's called Rapid Fire, but I
need to be on Coffee with Karan also, yeah. Usko
You need
please
to-
बोल दो ना.
मैं कहाँ से बोलता हूँ?
Wait, actually, I don't want to be in Coffee with Karan. I want to be on Rendezvous with Simi Garewal.
Okay.
My picture is Simi auntie, please, if you're watching this.
Yeah,
आप
tag her.
वापस start कर लीजिएगा. And I am your biggest fan. And if I can be on Rendezvous, मतलब हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी.
रेखा जी ने कहा था कि नॉट जस्ट women, आप सिमी ग्रेवाल पे ही कहा था कि he was asking कि
वो हाँ वो
will
रेखा.
you get married to a man? So she-
I'll give more scandalous
क्या
answers to Simi ji.
पेरिस में क्या हुआ वो?
Paris में क्या हुआ? I will tell Simi ji. I will tell you what happened in Paris.
मुझे नहीं बताएंगे, सिमी को बताएंगे.
सिमी जी को बताएंगे.
वो बात.
Listen, Rendezvous का पूरा restart होगा. This is a
Yeah.
landmark moment.
Okay. So it's called not so rapid fire.
अच्छा.
रैपिड फायर. फर्स्ट जस्ट मैं वर्ड्स लिस्ट करूंगा, जो भी आपके दिमाग में पहली चीज आती है, सोचना नहीं है, वो बोलिए. सेंटेंस कुछ भी आता है. क्वेयर.
Politics.
पॉलिटिक्स.
Queer is political.
या. प्राइम मिनिस्टर.
Elected representative. First amongst equals.
सेफ आंसर में दीजिए.
First amongst equals.
फर्स्ट अमंग इक्वल्स. ओके.
Which is forgotten.
जॉर्ज ऑवेल वाला वो लगा रहे हैं आप. All animals are equal, but some are more equal than
No, I'm saying the opposite. I'm saying that our parliamentary democracy says that the prime minister is the first amongst equals.
सेफ आंसर दे.
वो chieftain नहीं है, वो head of the council of
ठीक
ministers
है.
है.
कैंसिल
वो
नहीं.
भी सांसद ही है.
बिल्कुल. मैस्कुलिनिटी.
Toxic.
नेपोटिज्म.
Omnipresent.
कैंसिल कल्चर.
Dated.
कंगना रनौत.
Great for the opposition.
राखी सावंत.
Uncancelable.
Yeah, definitely. Oh. Karan Johar.
Love.
Love.
Controversial opinion.
Okay. Going abroad and then coming back.
Difficult but so much fun.
क्वेयर लोगों को ना सिर्फ बाहर चले जाओ यार, बहुत अच्छी लाइफ होती है.
हाँ यार, पर ये देखो अभी आते रहते हैं. मैंने हर बार खुद को कहा था कि
नहीं,
चलो अमेरिका चले गए, उधर ही रह लो. मैं फिर यूके चला गया, उधर ही रह लो. पर वापस आते ही रहा.
क्यों?
क्या पता यार,
इंडिया में
sometimes
क्या
I-
है?
like, मुझे भी नहीं पता.
आपको भी नहीं.
अब मुझे भी नहीं पता. Then some of the other circumstances led me to come back and like continue doing this work. It's, you know, I've been pushed to the brink of frustration and then something works out and I'm like, okay, continue working. तो कुछ ना कुछ तो है.
कैमरा में देखिए और बताइए कि मैं ना येस वी एग्जिस्ट पे एक कमेंट डाला था कि दे वर आस्किंग एडवाइस फ्रॉम यंग क्वेयर्स.
हाँ,
दीजिए, जो बड़े हो चुके हैं उनको दीजिए. तो मैंने ये लिखा
मैं
था,
बड़ा हुआ नहीं हूँ यार. लाइक
अरे तो आप भी यंग है ना.
हाँ,
यंग एज.
मुझे एडवाइस दो प्लीज यार.
तो उसमें मैंने लिखा था कि ये मत बोलते रहो कि यार आपकी लाइफ में बहुत सैड होने वाली है, बाहर चले जाओ. ऐसे लोगों को आप क्या बोलेंगे?
यार बाहर भी चले जा सकते हो. आई थिंक वो ये बाइनरी से बाहर निकल रहा है. ये कभी कभी बाहर चले जाओ. इट कैन बी अ वेरी
ये लिंक तो
हाँ, इसीलिए तो आपको स्कॉलरशिप मिल जाए तो बाहर जाओ, किसी और तरीके से बाहर जाओ. आप जा सकते हो तो बाहर जाओ. बट डोंट थिंक ऑफ बाहर जाना एज द सोल्यूशन टू द प्रॉब्लम. बाहर जाने के बाद प्रॉब्लम तो खत्म नहीं हो रहे. वहां
आप
पे
बस
कोई
देश
यूटोपिया नहीं है.
या
वहां पे भी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होने वाला है आपके खिलाफ. वहां पे तो डबल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होने वाला है बिकॉज यू आल्सो एन आउटसाइडर ऑन द
yeah.
बेसिस ऑफ योर रेस.
यस.
यू नो, सो जा बाहर, आजमा के तो देखो,
अच्छा.
फिर आपको पता चले.
यू अनिल जी दारा को फेलोशिप चलाते हैं, मेरे को ले जाइए बाहर प्लीज सर.
हम आपको अभी तो दारा शुक्र फेलोशिप कितने सालों से अभी नहीं चला रहे हैं, बट लेके जाएंगे आप.
ले जाएंगे. ठीक है, थैंक यू. फैमिली.
ओह, लोडेड क्वेश्चन.
नॉट सो रैपिड ना, तो बोलिए.
हाँ, मैं मेरे लव तो करण जौहर के लिए ऑलरेडी बोल दिया. तो
Family.
फैमिली मोर नहीं इसीलिए ना, फैमिली incredibly important, both of choice and of birth.
Incredibly important. लव एंड हेट दोनों एक साथ.
Often coexist more in more ways than one.
पेन एंड प्लेजर.
Often coexist in more ways than one.
ऐसे ट्विंकल आया आँख में, देखिए मेरे को नोटिस हो गया था. एंड फाइनली दिस इंटरव्यू.
Fabulous, like you
Oh,
and like everyone here who's been
Yeah.
watching. So.
Now, we're coming to the end of this interview. But before that, I would like my team to please join us for in the free.
Yes.